The skiing at Stowe is the best in the East. The location could not be better, right at the bottom of the mountain and next to the lifts, so it is 100% a ski-in, ski-out facility. The exterior of the building, it looks like it belongs in the mountains. Architecturally, it was designed to fit in this location, and I think that's been very successful. When you first arrive and walk into the main lobby of the lodge, first impression is one of sophistication, but at the same time, mountain elegance, very much a lodge feel. There's a lot of attention to detail in the finish of the lodge, in the furniture, in the woodwork, the accessories. The rooms are very spacious. They're furnished elegantly, but with a rustic feel. And there's a lot of natural light that comes in as well.
We here at Stowe Mountain Lodge are dedicated to practices and programs that pay respect to and lessen our footprint on our changing environment. Our in-room amenities such as the shampoos, the soaps, etc. are all environmentally preferable. We work with local Vermont artisans to produce the furniture. All of our lighting is energy efficient, and our energy management system controls the energy consumption inside the rooms.
The Solstice restaurant focuses to a large degree on the Vermont farm-to-table concept. And the chef is very excited by that prospect of dealing with local farmers.
In the spa, of course, our whole concept was celebrating nature, which was something very easy to do right at the base of the mountain. As we've evolved, we've seen that people want more than just a standard massage. We have some more therapeutic body treatments. We actually created the Healing Lodge based on the old spa principles of Europe, the whole hot-cold therapy. It helps to stimulate the natural healing processes of our body. So as wonderful and relaxing as it is, there's actually therapeutic purposes to it as well. We have a fantastic 7,000 square foot fitness center that looks out over our pool and Mount Mansfield, and we provide classes, yoga, Pilates, as well as 18 pieces of cardio equipment and free weights.
Our Alpine Concierge service starts before you arrive at the lodge. We contact all guests in advance of their visit to help them plan all the details of their stay. One of the benefits of the feel of the lodge is that people treat it as a second home.